Hello everyone. Well, in this video, I'm going to discuss about the report generation. As we know that test execution reports plays a very important role. Using this report, you will came to know that whether the feature which you are testing is stable enough for the release. In the Karate framework, the report generation part is automatically taken care by the runner. So let me go ahead and run this parallel runner. So once the execution is done, the runner itself is going to print the location of the report at the console. And this is the location for the report. So let me go ahead and open this report. So this is the report which is generated by the Karate framework itself. In this current view, the report is categorized based on the feature file name. So from this view, you can get the information about the total number of scenarios which got executed, how many of them are passed and how many of them are failed. If you want to further drill down, you can just click on the feature file name and it will take you to the detail of that feature file. And this view will give you the information about the scenario which belongs to that particular feature file. Also, in the scenario itself, you can click on the step to get the log information. There is another view of this report, that is the tag view. So in this view, the report is categorized based on the tags. So we have confidence, regression, smoke, and ignore tag. Now let me open the location from where this report file is coming. So as you can see here, this is the directory from where the report file is coming. Inside this directory, for every feature file, Karate Framework automatically generates the report in XML format, JSON format, as well as in the HTML format. And the report generation in the JSON format and XML format will become very useful when we integrate our test execution with the CI/CD, that is Jenkins. So in the Jenkins, you can have the plugin which is going to parse this JSON file or the XML file and display the report in the dashboard.